This is outdoor solar panel which converts energy into electricity, and this electricity is pumped inside the kitchen through these wires. Inside the kitchen, major part of this electricity goes inside this heat storage. This heat storage stores the energy in the form of heat and can be used for cooking. This black surface is a heat storage, and temperature of this surface we can see on this infrared gun, which is around 310 degrees centigrade. If we sprinkle water on this hot surface, you can see it instantly evaporates. While cooking, we remove the insulated cover, and this heat storage works as a hot top on which we can keep any vessel which is used for cooking. You can see within few seconds the water starts boiling because the surface is very hot, something like 310 degrees centigrade. Apart from heat storage for cooking, there is a charge controller with a battery, and which keeps some lamps and charging of cell phones. That is possible with this solar charger and a battery. So there is a storage of electricity as well as storage of heat.